plus minus.
Okay, Aiden, sorry. I got pulled into the hallway. Mr. Moore had to talk to me real quick. But you guys did number 9? Yeah? Quadratic formula. A, B, C. A is 1. B is -3. C is -7. I'll catch up. Negative B is +3. Plus minus square root of B squared is 9. Minus 4 times 1 times -7. All over 2 times 1. -4 times 1 times -7 is positive 28, and 9 plus 28 is 37, which is prime.
That's what I got.
Yeah. 3 plus or minus the square root of 37 over 2. Done.
Yep.
What'd you get? You got a different number inside?
Yeah,
You want me to look at you? You got 19?
She got 19. I got 37.
I know what you did.
Why would you add it if it's subtracting?
Because the 7 is negative also. So 2 negatives will make a positive, so he'll be plus 28. That's the problem. Yeah, that negative has to be a pain. Okay?
Leave our answer like this, right?
Yes. Yep. Keeping in mind that would actually mean 2 decimals, but I'm not going to make you do the 2 decimals. Okay, let's go back to completing the square. Completing the square is completing the blank. We have to
Find something like break it
bump the 4 first. Y squared minus 22y plus blank equals, if I bump the 4, he's positive 4 plus blank.
So they have to add to get, no, multiply to get.
Okay, so I want to multiply to get this number, which we have no idea what that number is. But I want to add to get 22, right? What 2 numbers add together to give you 22? Has to be the same number. So it's basically like dividing by 2, right? Y minus 11, y minus 11, right? Which is like y minus 11 squared, okay? Now if I have that, what goes in this blank?
21, 20.
11 times 11, which would be 121, right? 121. So I've got equals 125, right? And then I take the square root.
Confused.
Yes. What's that?
Why,
I don't like this.
why would you separate it, but then
Because, so the deal here is, I get it. The deal here is there's nothing I can multiply to give me 4, but when I add them, give me 22. So I'm like, okay, let's bump the 4 over to the other side and just like hold on to him for a little while. Let's find a number that I can multiply to get that number, but add to get 22, make it look real nice, and then just add it to one side, which seems like that's illegal. Like that doesn't seem like that's even fair to add 121 to this side. But as long as I do it to this side also, it remains the same. So that allows me to then break this guy down to this.
Yeah, but I don't understand
then-
why you can't just put the
There's really no reason to ever do completing the square, basically.
Right, you could,
like
so
it just doesn't make any
You could have put this in the
sense.
quadratic.
you could have put this in the quadratic formula and we would get the same answer,
Yeah,
for sure.
I probably would have just
Exactly,
done
yeah.
that. This is-
Yeah. Completing the square is not my favorite.
I actually
You what?
I hate it.
You hate it? Okay, so y minus 11 is gonna fall out. The square root of 125 does break down. Do you know? Yeah, 25 and 5. 25 times 5. If you take the square root of 25, it's 5. Take the square root of 5 is square root of 5, so 5 squared of 5. But it is plus minus 5 squared of 5, and then we add the 11 over, right? Plus minus 5 squared of 5. You can put the 11 on the end if you want to, but I always just put it in the front. Okay, B, same thing. First things first,
Again,
boot the 3.
it's going to be 7 and
X squared plus 14x plus blank equals, it'll be a positive 3 on the other side plus blank. Okay, I want to multiply to get this number, which I have no idea what it is, but I want to add to get 14. So, x plus 7, which means the blank is
10.
what?
49.
49 and 49. So this is x plus 7 squared. And 3 and 49 is 52, and 52 breaks down if we take the square root. The square root of 52 I know is 4 and something. 4 and 13. 13 is prime. Take the square root of 4 is 2 square roots of 13, yeah? So plus minus 2 square roots of 13 and x plus 7. And I add this, subtract the 7 over, so x equals -7 plus minus 2 square roots of 13. and that's it.
How many questions are our test?
This many. Just kidding. No, not this many. I haven't made your test yet, if you want to know the truth.
You probably do it this weekend.
I'll probably do it, yeah, sometime.
You just make up all these questions?
Sometimes I'll like take the book home and I'll be like, I like this one. Or I'll be like, I like this one, but I'm going to change the numbers. Whatever. But yeah,
This is an ass.
okay. You got something probably like that-ish.
So our bottom
Yeah.
one canceled out.
Yeah, this is what we got. Which is what you would get if you reduced. If you divided everything by 2. Right? Same thing. It's fine. Yep, you can leave what you have. It's fine. All right, 10.
4W is our common denominator.
Common denominator, the middle one's over 1, right? And we don't need any plus minuses. It's just like that way, right? 4W, 4W, 4W. We got W plus 3.
Plus 4W.
We got 1. And we got W minus 5. All right. First one needs?
Nothing.
Nothing. Second one needs?
4W.
4W. Third one needs?
4.
4. Okay, real quick, before we keep going. What can W not be?
0.
W can't be 0, right? Because otherwise I would divide by 0. So if we get 0 as an answer, we don't have an answer, right? W's go away. 4 W's go away. So I've got W plus 3 plus 4W equals 4W minus 20.
Add our W's on the other side, please.
Let's subtract the 4W because he goes away.
No. Add the W.
No. 4W goes away and then I just have W by itself, right? Okay. And then I boot the 3, minus 3, so W is, that's weird, negative 23. Is that true?
Sure.
Yeah? Nice. Cool. Okay. Beautiful. Okay.
What would have happened if I added W?
It'd be fine. You just have to like add the W and then subtract 5 and whatever.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you what?
That trinomial simplified would just be, or would just be that.
Yeah, it would just be these 2 pieces. That's awesome. Right? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, he broken down as just those 2 pieces. Okay, I'm going to do plus minus. Okay, so I've got this guy plus this guy equals this guy. My common denominator, those 2 pieces, x minus 4x plus 3. And I'm going to cheat, and I'm going to cheat, like, because I'm like... I'm going awful quick through this. Easy stuff. I'm going to simplify. Negative 14 and negative 3 is negative 17 minus x equals 2x minus 8.
Yeah.
I'm going to add the x. And I'm going to add the 8. Negative 9, is that true? Equals 3x. X equals negative 3. Uh-oh. I think I did that right.
What is negative 8 plus 17?
Positive 9.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
But I got
No, it'd be 10.
And you got negative 3 on the other side?
Yeah.
Negative, yeah, so you got 9 equals negative 3. I mean, you divided by the 3. You still got negative 3. Yeah. Okay, hold up.
Cannot equal negative 3.
What can x not be here?
Negative 3 or 4.
X can't be 4. And here, x can't be negative 3.
No
So, no solutions.
I hate when you do that.
I know. I feel like I should do that first. We should have done that first. That way we know that we're looking for that, right? I don't know. Okay, all right, okay.
We should be done. Yeah, so the
What time do we get, what time do we get?
44.
Let's do like just a couple more just because tomorrow's Friday schedule. Yeah? Absolute value? What do we do first?
2 cases. Well, divided
Not yet.
by two.
Minus
We've got to, yeah, we got to minus the 7 first. We got to get the absolute value by itself. We got to subtract the 7 first. And then,
Divide by 2.
so 9 minus 7 is 2. I have a mess here. So I've got 2 over there, and then I divide by 2, right?
So it's just 1.
So 3x minus 4 absolute value is equal to 1. Yeah, okay, then I have my 2 cases.
How'd you get 1?
9 minus 7 is 2, and then I divide that 2. So 1. Yeah, it was kind of a mess. I didn't want to, like, take up too much space, so I kind of cheated. First case, 3x minus 4 equals 1. What do you guys do for your second case? Do you do a like negative 3x plus 4 equals 1, or do you do 3x minus 4 equals negative 1?
On this one, I do negative, but on the other ones, I
It doesn't matter as long as you do it legally, right? I don't care which one you do. I'm gonna put the negative up to the 1 first. Like that's what I'm gonna do because it's easier than the other one, right? Okay, I'm gonna start with my first case, plus 4. I'm trying to give the answer here. 3x equals 5, and then divide by 5. So x is 5 over 3, 5/3 for that one.
yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna add the 4, This one's nice. 3x equals 3, and then x is 1.
Yep.
Okay, and I'm not doing a number line, I'm not shading anything, I'm not doing interval notation or anything because this is an equal sign, right? Equals, so I have 2 answers that are equal. Okay, we don't have to test them, they're both gonna work. Okay, B. How many cases? 2.
4.
Technically 4, but they both are the same, right? Okay, so case number 1, we just strip away the absolute values. Second case, which one do you want to make negative?
Probably the second one. I don't know.
I just always do the first.
You always do the first one? Sure. Negative 3y minus 5 equals y plus 1. Sure, that's fine. That'll work. All right, I'm gonna solve the first one. So minus y, and then I'm going to subtract the 5. Yeah, that's gonna be weird. That's okay. 2y equals negative 4. Y equals negative 2. I think.
Yeah.
I think. All right, I'm gonna add the 3y over. And I'm gonna subtract 1. This one's not nice. Negative 6 equals 4y. So,
-6.
yeah.
I did not get it.
Did you, okay, well, hold on. Did you make the second half negative? Or did you make the first half negative?
I did the second half negative.
Okay, then you're gonna be different than us until the very end. Y equals negative 6 over 4 is negative 3 over 2.
No, I made the first half negative.
You made the first
but
half
I
negative?
added the 5 over.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. You're good.
Yeah, you'll just add.
Yep,
have to
and you'll
divide
just have to, you got an equal sign here. You should have subtracted your y over.
Yeah, I'm gonna do
Connor,
that
what'd you
next.
do?
Okay, go ahead.
More lessons.
How many? A lot, a little.
3.
You're doing more than one lesson a day.
Right, yeah. Sometimes we do like 5 lessons a day. About.
Gas. We learned like 4 new laws and equations.
What was?
Oh. Negative 2 and negative 3 over 2.
Just what I wanted to hear, Connor.
I wish the stats test was easy.
Was this easy? You think this is easy?
Yes, compared to stats. Yeah.
Nice.
I think stats. I'm gonna fail stats.
Okay. I think you'll be
say
fine.
that now. I don't.
I don't think the test is gonna be that hard.
I don't even know.
The test is easier than the review, for sure.
I couldn't figure
100%.
out questions yesterday.
Yeah.
Those are also like my geometry questions.
Like,
Okay, let's do these 2 and then we'll be done. What do we do first? Move the 2. Minus 2. Minus 2. So I've got m plus 18 inside the square root equals m minus 2.
Square it.
Then we have to square it, and that means we have to,
square the other side.
yep, which means we have to FOIL it. Right? Right? M minus 2 times m minus 2.
Minus 4m
M squared minus 2m, which is minus 4m,
plus
plus 4.
4.
M squared minus 4m plus 4.
Now that we move everything to one side.
Yeah, I think so. Let's move this stuff over. So let's subtract the m here, and I'm going to subtract the 18 here. So on the left side, we have
Nothing.
0 m squared minus 5m minus 14. Oh, but that's nice.
7 and 2.
7 and 2. He's a simple trinomial. Multiply and add.
-7.
M minus 7, m plus 2.
And
So m equals 7 and m equals -2.
But,
That was a lot really
yeah,
fast.
we're fine.
Yeah, we're fine.
I did not
He can be any of this.
drive them.
Let's see what you did. Okay. Right here. -4m minus m is -5m. You're right. Yep. You just combine
Can
them
I go get something from my mom?
differently. Weird. Yeah. Oh, we got one left, I guess. That's fine.
It's easy.
It's easy? Okay, what do we do first on this one? Oh. -6. Okay, and if I subtract 6, that will be 4, right? And then
Do you divide by
let's divide by -4. Okay, and I've got the cubic root of 2x minus 5 equals -1. Can I have the cubic root be a negative? Yes, you can. Right? Cubic root can be a negative. So I cube it. Okay, so it goes away. 2x minus 5 is equal to, what's -1 times itself 3 times? Then I'm gonna add 5. So 2x equals 4 and x equals 2. Full beans. Full beans. I did. I started the recording again. So it'll be in 2 recordings, but I might have Aiden watch it 4th period. So, okay. All right, we'll stop there. Beautiful. So we don't have too much left. All right. Okay, goodbye, Aiden.